Over the decades, the AFP Corps of Engineers milestone traces its roots during the revolutionary struggle in accordance with the manifesto issued by General Emilio Aguinaldo in 1896.
Ang bawat lalaki, bata man o matanda, ay magdala ng itak o kutsilyo upang ipaglaban ang ating kalayaan. At tayo'y agara magbuo ng mga pangkat na magtatayo ng ating mga huta at tagulan sa lupa at dagat man.
The AFP Corps of Engineers has built more than infrastructure. We have built the nation. This is our story. It was first officially organized pursuant to Section 19 of Commonwealth Act No. 1, also known as the National Defense Act of 1935. Every second marks a foundation laid. Every minute, a mission accomplished. Since then, its founding date was celebrated every February 10th. From 1937 onwards, the Corps of Engineers was engaged heavily in the rebuilding of posts, camps, and stations. The Corps of Engineers composition, mission, functions, and other unit engineers was clearly defined as mandated by AFP Regulations No. 100-5 dated January 9, 1949. Through the smoke of the Great Wars, our identity solidified. We saw the formal creation of engineer units and offices. Moving from the trenches of defense to the blueprints of a nation, the Corps have demonstrated unremarkable accomplishments in the pursuit of economic development and progress for our country and fellow men. It is with great pride and pleasure to salute the undertakings and endeavor of the Corps of Engineers that resulted in countless significant accomplishments, as today marks another year of delivering excellent service and performance in nation building, infrastructure enhancement, and disaster management. Today, our mission remains to build and to protect. On internal security operations, in the all-out war against Moro Islamic Liberation Front was a massive campaign to neutralize and reclaim approximately 50 camps, including their center of gravity, Camp Abu Bakr. In the war on terrorism, we did not just clear the path, we cleared the way for hope. During the Zamboanga siege, engineers assisted in urban terrain clearing and immediate rehabilitation of displaced communities. The Marawi siege, a 5-month urban conflict against ISIS-affiliated groups where the Corps combat engineering capabilities were displayed during the campaign. On the territorial defense operations like the construction of facilities at Calayan Island Group with the Corps efforts to modernize runways and barracks. While the Mabulus Island project was involved building a permanent naval detachment and a fisherman's shelter. On humanitarian assistance and disaster response operations, the AFPCOE acts as a bridge for Philippine diplomacy, providing high-skill engineering and rescue support globally. Long-standing participation in peacekeeping missions, building quarantine facilities, isolation health centers, and logistics hubs. For the international defense and security engagements, the AFPCOE is recently engaging in bilateral missions from Poland to our regional allies. The AFPCOE is a beacon of Philippine diplomacy targeting exchange of technical knowledge and advanced engineering related for various engineer operations. In support to national development, the AFP Corps of Engineers has prioritized national infrastructure projects to assert sovereignty. The road ahead may be challenging, but together, through harmonious efforts, we can overcome any obstacle and engineer a future of strength and stability. As we move forward to address our vulnerabilities and enhance our capability to defend our national interest through certain long-term plans, which include upgrades of our facilities to world-class standards to build hardened, resilient facilities in support to the AFP capability upgrade and modernization. In line with the AFP's Comprehensive Archipelagic Defense Concept, or CADC, and AFP Transformation Roadmap, the future demands a new breed of resilience. From the guidance of General Romeo S. BRAWNER, Jr., AFP Chief of Staff, with the activation of the AFP Engineer Command. With this guidance, the AFP Corps of Engineers conducted the first AFP Engineer Commanders Summit attended by the 5 engineer commanders from the Philippine Army, Brigade Commander of the Philippine Navy and 355th Engineer Wing Commander of the Philippine Air Force, and come up with the proposed structure of the AFP Engineer Command and the proposed creation of the AFP Deputy Chief of Staff for Engineering, J11. The Armed Forces of the Philippines Corps of Engineers continues to be a reliable force as it takes a more expanded role in national and base development. More than ever, Its contributions in sync with the current thrust cover not only those activities within AFP's frontier, but has spanned the whole archipelago to be instrument for relief, peace, and development. The Corps of Engineers will develop and carry out policies, plans, programs, activities, projects, and the development of advanced trainings for the AFP's engineer schools to ensure that the right capacitated personnel can handle ongoing and future infrastructure projects and resolve engineer-related issues using better quality engineering hardware, technology, and equipment related to general engineering, coastal engineering, geospatial engineering, and combat engineering in order to support their mission to become a world-class armed forces of the Philippines. The Corps of Engineers' significant contributions through continuous support in upholding the AFP's mission to have a world-class, standard-hardened, and resilient facilities. Past, present, and future. One Corps, one mission. We build for the people. We fight for the land. We are the AFP Corps of Engineers.